Alright everybody, good morning. Today's episode is going to be on how to fix broken GoPro mounts. I got these two. This one's barely hanging by a thread. No pun intended. I'm going to take these apart real quick so you can see how bad they are. Okay? So here's the mouthpiece. Most of the little plastic is broken away. As you can see, there's normally two of those, but now there's only one. Okay, and then what we got here? JB Water Weld. And then with the float stick, as you can see, I'm not gonna loosen it all the way, but it's yeah, there you go, as you can see. Alright, let's get this project started. Okay, so a little key here is we want to make sure that as we repair the GoPro mount, we do not impede the movement of it, because like for this one, you have to make sure that you can still open the door to get the camera in and out. So very important that when I reattach this, that I don't attach it so close that I can't get it back open with the floaty here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna station it at an angle like this, where I could still slide the camera in and out. So okay, so now what I want to do is I want to take this, kind of put it in its rightful place. Got the screw, got the little vise. So like right there should be money. Okay, so welcome back. We're going to do the second round here. Like I said, very important before I seal off the second side, I want to make sure that I can still, wherever it's, however I epoxy this back end in here, I just want to make sure that I can still slip the camera in and out. So first thing I'm going to do, see how the epoxy is kind of starting to get up in there? This pin that goes across, that's like your swivel pin. So it's very important that the epoxy does not get in there. So I'm going to take some lubricant. I'm going to spray the lube right along that swivel. So now if I do happen to get some of the epoxy on there, it shouldn't adhere to the swivel, to the pin, okay? So now I already got the camera in there. I'm just gonna leave the camera in there to make life a little easier. So I need to unclip this, pop that over there. Okay. So next, got more water weld. Dun, 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 dun. This time I'm going to try to just cut off a smaller piece. That way I can kind of have a little better control of how I apply it. So we'll go like that, because I can always come back and cut another chunk off. I always like to put this end back on here, because once this inside starts to dry, it'll ruin the whole bar. But I've had stuff like this last for 6 months, just sitting in the container because I kept it properly sealed. So it's only $5, but hey, if you can get a couple uses out of it instead of just one use, I'm all about that. So now here we go, kneading. I need, what do you need? I got paint thinner on this rag. That helps get this crap off my fingers. Let's try. Test that. Making sure it can still open, as you see. I want to make sure it can still open. A little clunky, but it will do. Now I just gotta wait for it to sit and dry. It'll be good to go.